Hi everyone, my name is Bright and I deal with human-wildlife interactions. During the summer, I worked with IGS analyzing human-peer interaction in Massachusetts, and a lot of interesting results were found, one of which was summer season at the highest interaction report. Not just that, a lot of people recorded concerns towards their safety. For example, some bears were aggressive towards pets, towards humans. There was a lot of report also about depredation of livestock, which means economic loss for the people that were affected. Livestock like poultry, fowl, the chicken, the egg, the turkey, the guinea fowl, and so many much more. The bears were not left out. Reports showed that a lot of bears suffered from disease, injury, young bear without care, then vehicle or roadkill for some bears, and a lot of deaths and mortality cases were recorded. Now, I checked, is there any interaction, is there any relationship between this interaction report frequencies and temperature or precipitation? And yes, temperature was very, very significant, though precipitation did not play much role, but temperature was very significant. Hence, I came to a conclusion that with changing climate, with global warming, with higher temperature records, we will tend to see more human-wildlife interactions over the years because bear and some other wild animals are environmentally sensitive. And now, with more of this interaction, we will tend to see what? We will tend to see conflict situations. Now, how does my work help in this situation? I use NetGlobal as a tool to simulate the interaction between human, wildlife, and the environment where we could input different climate variables and we could understand better the impact of these variables on our outcome, which is human-wildlife interaction, conflict, coexistence. Now, we write a lot of code in this space. This is what I'm currently doing. It's not done, it's just in progress. So we write a lot of code. I'm trying here to model interaction between human, bear, and the environment. So I'm still writing the code out. Once I'm done with the code, then on the interface level, we can visualize everything I've written, where you could set up your stuff, you set up this platform, and you could see how climate variables like temperature, for any variable you input, you could see how it's impacting your outcome. In this case, I would, aside from including the population, forest percentage, and this, I will still include temperature, precipitation, and drought as variables. And then once I'm able to understand better the role of these variables in determining my outcome, we can then profile solutions that will help resolve conflict situation. We could profile solutions for climate adaptation strategies for people. And not just that, in the long run, we'll be able to improve coexistence